Hi there, welcome to our video on AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Tips, and we will be covering understanding the difference between subnet versus NACLs, also known as Network Access Control List. So, what is the difference between subnet and Network Access Control List? Now, as you can see from the diagram over here, we have basically an account, and within that account, we have a virtual private cloud. And within the virtual private cloud, we have the components of the VPC, which are basically Internet Gateway, router, route tables, and more importantly for this particular video, the Network Access Control List and the subnet. Security groups and Network Access Control Lists are both VPC or virtual private cloud components. Both the security group and the Network Access Control List help act as virtual firewalls to control traffic both coming in and out of the subnet. The Network Access Control List acts as a firewall for the subnets themselves. The security group, on the other hand, act as a virtual firewall for the EC2 instances. The security group can be a firewall for a group of EC2 instances or for individual EC2 instances. Now let's understand the key differences to know between security group and network access control list for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. First, what does it apply to? The security group acts as a virtual firewall for the EC2 instances themselves, either as a virtual firewall for a group of EC2 instances or for individual EC2 instances. The network access control list, on the other hand, acts as a virtual firewall for the subnet itself. State. Security groups are stateful, so return traffic is automatically allowed regardless of any rules. The responses to allowed inbound traffic are allowed to flow out regardless of outbound rules. NACLs are stateless, thus return traffic must be explicitly allowed by rules. Changes applied to an incoming rule will not be applied to the outgoing rule. So if you allow an incoming port 80, unless you apply allow rule for outgoing traffic, it won't be allowed out. The rules security groups supports allow rules, but it does not have deny rules. Network access control lists support both allow and deny rules. Control process. Security groups checks all the rules to decide to allow traffic in or out. NACL rules are evaluated starting with the lowest number rule. As soon as a rule matches traffic, it is applied regardless of any higher numbered rule that might contradict it. Default inbound rules. By default, no inbound traffic is allowed until you add inbound rules to the security group. Network access control list allows all inbound traffic for IPv4 by default. Default outbound rules. By default, a security group allows an outbound rule that allows all outbound traffic. By default, NACLs allow all outbound traffic for IPv4. So this covers the key differences to know between security groups and NACLs for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. In our next video, we will go over 15 multiple choice questions on networking and content delivery, specifically for Domain 3 of the Certified Cloud Practitioner exam guide. Please subscribe for more such videos and multiple choice question videos, and subscribe to get notifications whenever the videos come out. Thank you.